Now, boys and girls, the next thing I want to show you is how you can be a meteorologist or a weather forecaster yourself. So on the next page in the book, it is showing you how to make your own rain gauge, okay? And this will be on page 61 in the book that I will send your mums and dads a link to. So you use a plastic bottle, and I'll show you exactly what to do now in just a minute because I've made one earlier myself, okay? And then what you can do is you can use a bar graph like there is here at the bottom of the screen to measure the amount of rainfall in teaspoons, okay? And you measure the amount of rainfall in a week in teaspoons. So we'll come back to that now in just a moment, and let me show you this first. So what I took to make my own weather instrument, I took a plastic bottle, just like this one here, okay? But I took an empty one. I didn't take one that still had juice in it, all right? So ask mums or dads if they have a plastic bottle that's empty that you could maybe use. And my bottle looked like this, all right? And it had a lid on it. So I took the cap, the lid off it, and then I took a scissors, just like this. And because I'm a mum or dad, I was able to do it, but I'd like you to ask mum or dad to do this for you, or maybe an older brother and sister, to cut the lid, cut the top, take the lid off it and put that away, and then cut the top off your bottle so it opens just like this. Can you see that? All right. And then you turn it upside down and you sit it into the bottle. And you push it down then, so it acts kind of a little bit like a funnel to funnel the water down into the bottle. Okay? And this is going to be a rain gauge to collect rainwater. So you can see my one, I collected some rainwater last night that I now need to measure. I have a couple of stones in the bottom of the bottle. I wonder, does anyone know why I put stones in there? You can see they've made some of the water a little bit mucky and dirty, but that's okay. Why do you think I would have put them in? I put them in to stop it blowing over in the breeze in my back garden. That's why I put them in, okay? And you can do the same if you want to. So I left it out overnight because we had a bit of rain. I'm recording this now on Sunday morning. We had a little bit of rain last night. So I left it out overnight and it collected this much rain. So now what I'm going to have to do is take a teaspoon and measure this amount of rain that fell last night. So I'm going to bring you back now to the page where we have a look at that. I'm going to move it a little bit closer to me. And you can see then that we make a graph, just like this one here at the bottom, okay? And we go days of the week, so we say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And the teaspoons amount are here on the side. And you measure the amount of teaspoons of water, teaspoons just like this of rainwater that you collected in your bottle for each day. And you know what? If the weather's good this week, you mightn't get any, all right? But we might have a shower or two and you might be able to get a little bit like I did, and then you'll be able to measure it and colour the boxes in to show how much rain you have collected. So I think that might be a nice fun activity that you boys and girls can do at home quite easily, and you can make your own weather report. And that means that you're nearly a meteorologist then, because you will be tracking and recording the weather yourself. And then you will be able to say what day was the wettest day. See here at the bottom? You will be able to say what day was the wettest day and which day was the driest day. And I'd love to see your work on that if you get to do it.